Itsu kuru no tabete iku yo. Today we will learn the JLPT and 4 grammar tekuru and teiku to express that someone will do something and come or go. You simply change a verb to the te form and add kuru or iku after it. The te form of a verb is used to express a sequence of actions, and kuru and iku mean to come and to go respectively. So it basically means to do X and come or go. Kuru is used when someone is moving towards the speaker, and the iku is used when the speaker is moving towards someone else. In the example, person A asked person B, "When will you come?" And person B responded by saying, "I will eat and go." Since person B is the speaker and will move towards person A, iku is used. But person A could also ask, "Tabete kuru no?" Since person A is now the speaker and person B will move towards person A, kuru is used instead. Please follow for more Japanese tips.